Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can insert dynamic bar, a dynamic progress bar to show the progress of any task or project uh, uh, in the Excel. You can see here a small data in front of you where task names are there, task 1, task 2, task 3. Their status is there in progress, and the progress means this its completion percentage is 60%, 56, 100, and accordingly the bar is shown in the cell. Let's say if it is this is 100%, we will change it to 50%. As soon as it is changed to 50%, bar is also reduced. So this is dynamic. It will adjust according to the value itself. So right here in this sheet, it is not linked with any real data. Only the percentage, 60%, 50%. These percentages are linked with the bar, but you can link these bars with any sort of data. Now I'll show you how we can do it. Here there is another sheet where same data is present and percentage completion percentage is shown. I will insert bars there, progress bar there. Select the data. First, select the completion column. Then go to then in the home tab, there is a conditional formatting, new rule. The first rule: format all cells based on their values. Use the first rule, format style, data bar. We can also call it data bar. Now we have to give minimum and maximum value. Minimum value, um, it will be in the number, minimum, and then the type is in the number. Here select the number, and the minimum value will be 0, and maximum value, again select the type number, and the maximum value will be 1. Means when it will be 100%, it will be 1. Now you can select the bar appearance fill. You can fill solid fill, and here you can select the color. Let's say we will select the green color. Okay, and the border, you can also give some border color. Let's say black outline will be there. Press OK. Now you can see the data bars or progress bars are displayed here. Select again. I will show you some more things here. Select again. Go to the conditional formatting. Now instead of new rule, go to manage rule. You can see this rule which we created earlier. Select this and edit rule. Here we can add more rules as well and edit the existing rule. Edit. Now we are in the same rule. Here we can change the color. Okay, and fill, solid fill. If I'll select it, the gradient fill, so its look will be changed. Okay, and just press apply here. You can see the gradient fill is there. Again, click edit the rule. You will select different color. Let's say light green. Press OK. Apply. Now you can see the gradient color is changed. Color is in gradient. Go to formatting again. Here the bars are from left to right. You can also change them from right to left. You can see now they are from right to left. We will change them again from left to right. Press OK. OK. Now you can see you can easily represent your progress of any task or any project in the data bars or progress bars.